In this episode, we're going to learn about making safe decisions. It's important to make safe decisions, but what does that look like? When you're in the hallways, it's important to walk. When you run, you might run into someone and get hurt. It's also a good idea to wait your turn in line. If you push other people to get ahead in line, others might get hurt. It's also important to take care of the toys that you play with. When you're playing and you throw a toy at someone, they could get hurt. When you're at your seat, you want to make sure that you're sitting in your chair correctly. If you lean back in your chair, you can fall and hurt yourself. Now that we've learned about being safe, let's see if you can see who's being safe. I wonder if this boy is making a safe decision. What do you think? No, he's not making a safe decision. I wonder if she's making a safe decision. What do you think? You're right. She is making a safe decision. Don't forget to like and subscribe to learn more.